अभी आपने बताया आपने 2003 में सीए किया और फिर 2009 में यूपीएससी किया एंड देन फ्रॉम पंजाब टू पटना, और खास तौर से इतनी रिस्पॉन्सिबल पोजीशन पे आके व्हाट मोटिवेटेड यू टू परस्यू फॉर यूपीएससी, बिकॉज चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंसी करना अपने आप में बहुत टफ है एंड देन कमिंग टू दिस आइडिया दैट ओके आई विल डू यूपीएससी. सो
Thanks to my parents, they supported me always. They gave me this opportunity, and I studied 11th onwards. I studied in Chandigarh. I did my schooling from Sector 35, Chandigarh Government School. Then, along with then. I at that time I had this dream only. I was not knowing what is civil services, what is UPSC, but I was knowing just हाँ SP होते हैं, DM या DC होते हैं. My father, why he gave me this dream? He used to watch a serial Udaan, if you might have heard. That's a very famous serial. It's based on the life, real life of an IPS lady. So her sister Kavita Chaudhary, she played this role, and my father, he was very inspired by that serial, and he always imagined me in that uniform. So he gave me like, when बड़े हो जाओगे, so you have to like मैं ऐसे देखना चाहता हूँ.
Great.
So I never knew कि क्या है ये, कैसे इसकी तैयारी करनी है. Even till 12th I didn't know.
What message you want to give to the professionals or the chartered accountants who want to come up for the public services, so that may be relevant for them?
As I said that you, it's good to have the dream, but along with that you have a sense of purpose. It should come from within. So you have preparing for CA. It gives you that kind of perseverance. It gives you discipline, that kind of which develops your endurance for preparation for UPSC. Because if अगर किसी ने CA तैयारी किया, it means that person is hard working. That means that person can consistently work. UPSC, it's not the intensity, it is the consistency. You have to be consistent with your studies. And UPSC, you have hundreds of things to read. It's a very smart way of hard work. It's not just the hard work, it's a smart way of hard work. You need to know.
नमस्कार दोस्तों, आज हम पॉडकास्ट विद आरआर में हमारे बीच में सीए हरप्रीत कौर, आईपीएस, डीआईजी इंटेलिजेंस पटना, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ होम अफेयर्स, पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट हमारे बीच में मौजूद है. सबसे पहले मैम बहुत बहुत थैंक यू फॉर कमिंग हियर इन द पॉडकास्ट एंड ऑफ कोर्स कमिंग टू दिस इवेंट. आई एम श्योर योर जर्नी एंड योर वे फॉरवर्ड will be certainly helpful for all our stakeholders, and we have started this initiative so that our students, our members can come to know that how things are moving and what all things are there beyond chartered accountancy. अभी आपने बताया आपने 2003 में सीए किया और फिर 2009 में यूपीएससी किया एंड देन फ्रॉम पंजाब टू पटना. सो आई कैन से अ वेरी डिफरेंट स्टोरी, क्योंकि अक्सर हम लोग सुनते हैं कि पंजाब के लोग कनाडा ज़्यादा जाते हैं, बट पंजाब के लोग और ख़ास तौर से इतनी रिस्पॉन्सिबल पोजीशन पे आके, सो आई एम श्योर आवर पॉडकास्ट विल बी सर्टेनली वेरी फ्रूटफुल फॉर आवर स्टेक होल्डर्स. सो let us start with the first question. So what motivated you to pursue for UPSC, because chartered accountancy करना अपने आप में बहुत tough है, and then coming to this idea that okay I will do UPSC. So I want to know, and my viewers would be willing to hear you, that what gives you the motivation.
Thank you so much, first of all, Rohitji, for coming here and giving me this opportunity. Actually, this was my childhood dream. To become a civil servant, and especially in uniform services. So I grew up with that dream. My father gave me that dream when I was in a primary school. I'm from a very small village from district Barnala. It's a very, very small village, educationally very backward. That time it was up to 5th standard only. My school had 5th standard school, my village. So, and the girls, they were not sent outside the village, for further studies. But I studied in my village till 5th. Then the nearby village I had to go for, 6th onwards. My father was a teacher in that school. So I got the opportunity. Otherwise, my other classmates, they could study only up to 5th standard. That was the level of the education. You can imagine the girls, people were not comfortable sending their daughters outside, outside the village. But my father was there, so I got that opportunity, and I studied throughout my schooling. My college has been a government school, without any tuition, without any coaching. I never took any coaching. So, and I studied in Punjabi medium till 10th.
Okay.
From Punjab School Education Board. And then 11th onwards, because my brother was he was working in Mohali, so I stayed with him and I got the opportunity to study in Chandigarh. But it was a sea change for me, like coming from a very small village, very backward village, which is educationally not very, people are not very aware. But thanks to my parents, they supported me always. They gave me this opportunity, and I studied 11th onwards. I studied in Chandigarh. I did my schooling from Sector 35, Chandigarh Government School. Then, along with then. At that time I had this dream only. I was not knowing what is civil services, what is UPSC, but I was knowing just हाँ SP होते हैं, DM या DC होते हैं. My father, why he gave me this dream? He used to watch a serial Udaan, if you might have heard. That's a very famous serial. It's based on the life, real life of an IPS lady. So her sister Kavita Chaudhary, she played this role, and my father, he was very inspired by that serial, and he always imagined me in that uniform. So he gave me like one, बड़े हो जाओगे, so you have to like मैं ऐसे देखना चाहता हूँ.
Great.
So I never knew कि क्या है ये, कैसे इसकी तैयारी करनी है. Even till 12th I didn't know. So I got, luckily my medium was changed. From Punjabi medium I got into English medium. That itself was a challenge.
Yes.
And that too in a government school, and that I did without any coaching. Why I'm emphasizing on this point, I'll explain you later. I did it without any coaching, without any, like, and nobody in my home was there from commerce background. I took commerce in 11th and 12th. Nobody knew anything about commerce. So medium was changed, subjects were changed, because you don't study anything till 10th about, related something to commerce subjects. So the subjects and the language, both were new. But I studied thanks to my teachers and the government school. It's all there, like hard work, and my hard work also, and the grace of the God, that I got very good marks in 12th. So somebody suggested me, my family friend, they said कि आप लड़की को अगर अच्छे marks हैं तो why put her in CA, just not just BCom only, आप उसको BCom ही क्यों करवा रहे हैं. So they just made me fill this foundation form, and I filled that foundation form and qualified that, and then along with BCom I did CA.
Great.
So that's how I became CA. So CA itself is a tough exam. It's a very prestigious exam, very tough exam. But then I practiced also for some time in Chandigarh. Then I started preparing, because that was my dream. Because I had, yes, I had, as I told, I grew up with that dream. So it was there at the back of my mind. So after that, I started preparing for UPSC, and in 2009, I got through this exam. One thing I would say, you have to have a reason, personal sense of purpose for this exam. You need to have that passion. And why I was emphasizing one thing that I studied throughout, people say ना कि आप अच्छे स्कूल में पढ़ते हैं, बहुत सारी आपको फैसिलिटीज मिलती हैं, कॉन्वेंट एजुकेटेड होते हैं, ट्यूशंस होती हैं, कोचिंग होती है, only then you get, no, never blame your circumstances. Your circumstances are how you perceive them.
Great.
So they are not the limitation. Your mind is the limitation. If you are able to overcome that limitation, na, so nothing can stop you. अगर एक गांव की लड़की जिसकी साथ की सहेलियां आज भी 5 तक पढ़ के गांव में हैं, अगर वो यहाँ तक आ सकती है, CA कर सकती है, IPS कर सकती है, तो you can do it. You can achieve your dream. But you have to actually, it's not just the dream. You should have the purpose. You should have the reason. Right. To achieve something.
आपकी जर्नी को जब हमने सुना तो उसमें आपने बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट चीज बताई, क्योंकि पहला क्वेश्चन आई आस्क्ड रिलेटेड टू CA to UPSC, but when I go to UPSC you have chosen IPS and then you have chosen Bihar.
Yeah.
So I think I just want to know what made you choose IPS and then Bihar, because उस समय जब आपने choose किया होगा, so today's Bihar and that time Bihar was different.
Yes.
So
IPS, actually, as I thought that one thing, as my father had given me this dream, and second thing, when I see some injustice, especially with the ladies, I'm very very sensitive to the women cause. Like whenever I used to see कि हाँ कुछ के साथ कुछ हो रहा है ladies, so I always used to feel this thing, had I been in that authority, मतलब so that I could provide them some justice, या किसी बच्चे के साथ कुछ हो रहा है तो वो अंदर से आती थी आवाज के मतलब अंदर से आपको लगता था कि नहीं, अगर ऐसे होता ना, समटाइम व्हेन यू सी सम फ्लॉ समवेयर, लाइक हाँ ये कुछ ऐसा हो रहा है, एंड दैट वे यू कैन इम्प्रूव इट, और दैट वे यू कैन कंट्रीब्यूट, इट गिव्स you a self motivation. So that's why I chose this uniform service. First one, it is a symbol of discipline. And second thing, you asked me about Patna, about Bihar. Bihar was my cadre of my choice. I gave it as a fourth choice out of 24 cadres. Because like I had heard about that state. I had never been to that state before. But yes, I had that passion, like I want to work in some challenging place. I want to have that job satisfaction where you actually, have to do the real policing. So that's why, like, it's all very different, like coming from Punjab and working. And the journey has been so satisfying so far. Professionally, I have worked in 6 districts, and the toughest one in Bihar. And actually, it is very satisfying professionally. But actually, when you do and you give, a kind of justice to the victims or the grieved ones, and it gives you a different kind of feeling.
So I think taking challenges give you more satisfaction, you may call it.
Yeah, I like that. I like that.
So हमारा पॉडकास्ट जो है वो बहुत सारे यंग मेंबर्स, यंग स्टूडेंट, फ्यूचर जनरेशन जो है वो सुन रही होंगी. What message you want to give to the professionals or the chartered accountants who want to come up for the public services, so that may be relevant for them?
Yes, as I said that to you, it's good to have the dream, but along with that, you have a sense of purpose. It should come from within. Though you have preparing for CA, it gives you that kind of perseverance. It gives you discipline, that kind of which develops your endurance for preparation for UPSC. Because if अगर किसी ने CA तैयारी किया, it means that person is hardworking.
Yes.
That means that person can consistently work. Do the hard work. It's in an UPSC, it's not the intensity. It is the consistency. You have to be consistent with your studies. And UPSC, you have, hundreds of things to read. It's a very smart way of hard work. It's not just the hard work, it's a smart way of hard work. You need to know as to what exactly, you should study from examination point of view. You should have analytical skill. You should have conceptual clarity. You should have the capability to put your ideas, your thought process in minimum words in the given time. You need to know how we can structure your answer, how you can express yourself. So you need to develop that capability. And pursue that. If actually you want to, you need to observe the governance, you need to observe the administration, you need to think critically, you need to think analytically as to had you been in that position, what you could have done.
Right.
And how you can improve the system. So, and associate yourself with the intellectual issues. I would tell you about my this thing. It's not just you read it and you write it. You have to interlink the topics. You have to analyze them. You are acting like a decision maker. You have to act. When you prepare, you write an answer. You have to think like a policy maker. So you have to have a very broad view of any issue. You cannot have a narrow view. So being CA, it gives you an expertise, and being a civil servant, it gives you a platform.
Right.
So to serve the society, and how you can contribute, how can use that expertise with that platform, to give maximum to the nation or to the society. So I think that way they need to think. And as I said, during when I was preparing, when I gave my exam in 2008, interview was in 2009, and this result came in 2009. So I didn't have any access to the internet at that time. I had the simple phone, so it was manual. Books that you have to prepare.
Yes.
Today, there are so many things available on internet. You can, have any sort of analysis on any issue. So what I used to do, another thing which I will emphasize is discipline. You need to have a very strict discipline when you prepare for your PSC. So I had scheduled my entire day routine. So at what time you sleep, at what time you study. I'm not saying you study 10 hours, 12. I'm not saying but whatever you do it in a disciplined way. Like if you have to study 6 hours or 8 hours, so devote that time So you have to devote it every day. Or you can take a break just to refresh yourself. But हाँ, थोड़ा सा वैसा भी कुछ करना चाहिए कि आपका mind overburdened नहीं हो. What I used to do, I am talking about the analysis. So I used to listen to the news on transistor. I had a transistor. So I didn't have the access to the internet. In Delhi, I was there. I took coaching only for UPSC. CA I did without coaching. So I took coaching only for UPSC. Till CA, I didn't get any kind of coaching, not in school, not in college. So in UPSC, I went to Delhi. I took coaching in Vajiram and Ravi. I didn't have access to internet. I had a transistor. So there I used to hear the news analysis. So you have to be updated with the current issues and not just कि यहाँ पे एक प्रॉब्लम हुई बट उस प्रॉब्लम के रीजंस क्या हैं, उसकी आगे रेमिफिकेशंस क्या हैं. यू नीड टू थिंक ऑन दोज लाइंस. सो उसमें जो भी आपका बर्निंग इशू होता था या जो भी एक हॉट टॉपिक दिन का होता था, तो दे यूज टू एवरी डे दे यूज टू कम ऑन न्यूज एनालिसिस फ्रॉम 9:30 to 10. So I used to listen to that. So, and another thing very important, when you are preparing for civil service, you need to have a very balanced view of any issue. You cannot have extreme views.
Right.
लेकिन ये ऐसा नहीं तो ऐसा ही होना चाहिए, तो वैसा नहीं ऐसे. You need to have a very, very balanced approach, and you have to develop your mindset accordingly, because you cannot put any artificial, layer for preparation. Like when interview, they interview, they come to know at what kind of personality you are, what are your thoughts, what are your thinking. So you need to develop, you need to inculcate that kind of mindset, that you have a very, very balanced view of any issue which you come across.
Right, ma'am. So I can understand from this podcast that focus, consistency, passion, discipline
Yeah.
are the key to success, and I'm sure the viewers will certainly get the benefit. And your journey is really insightful. The way the challenges you have faced from Punjab to Patna and today, being a lady officer, I can understand how you have managed the show. Once again, thank you very much for coming
Thank
on
you
the
so
podcast
much.
and for sharing your valuable insight. I'm sure the experience which you have shared with us will be beneficial for all our stakeholders. And thank you so much.
Thank you for inviting. Thank you.